Adult do-it-yourself painting and art classes can be found all over the Fort Myers area, and a local middle school art teacher is bringing that experience to her students. Students at Mariner Middle added some color to a night in November.
Hello.
It was the school's third annual paint party, led by art teacher Miss Lisa Hefner.
And just keep blending that white out.
Every year, the painting changes, and this year they went out on a limb.
Today we are painting a tree of life. It looks like this.
Okay, I'm going to start with a circle of white.
Similar to popular do-it-yourself businesses and art workshops, students had the opportunity to not only paint, but also enjoy refreshments.
And go ahead and get yourself a pizza. We thought it would be fun for the kids to have the opportunity to attend something like some of their parents have attended.
Every student had the chance to add a personal touch to their painting.
Personally, I prefer light blue. There's a lot of emphasis on sports and competition, and not every child wants to do something that's physical or competitive, and so instead this is a nice creative, sort of laid back, fun activity for them. Don't stress out if they don't look exactly like what you see.
Miss Hefner says painting and art aren't only helpful for self-expression, but in other parts of their education too.
Yeah, it actually helps me learn in other subjects.
It opens their mind to creative ways of problem solving and thinking and looking at things. We're going to go ahead and apply that light blue to the entire canvas.
This is Erin Altman for Lee Schools TV.
So what do you think?